Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is data integrity and normalization. Today we will discuss about data integrity and types of data integrity. Data integrity. Data integrity refers to the correctness and consistency of data. It is another form of database protection or security. Security involves protecting the data from unauthorized operations. Data integrity is related to the quality of data. It is maintained with the help of integrity constraints. These constraints are the rules that can be applied to database so that the correct data can be entered into the database. The integrity constraints may be applied to individual data items within a single record or may be applied to relationship between records. The example of integrity constraints are: issue date in a library system cannot be older than corresponding return date of a book. Total obtained marks in a subject cannot exceed the maximum marks of the subject. Types of data integrity. There are two types of data integrity: entity integrity and referential integrity. Entity integrity. The entity integrity is a constraint on primary key value of a relation. It states that in a relation no primary key value can have null value. By definition, a primary key is used to identify tuples uniquely. If one or more tuples have null value in the primary key attribute, then you cannot identify tuples uniquely. Second type of data integrity is referential integrity. Referential integrity is a constraint on foreign key value of the relation. It states that if a foreign key exists in a relation, then the foreign key value must match the primary key value of some tuple in its parent relation. Referential integrity ensures that relationship between records in tables remain consistent. Referential integrity is implemented by primary key and foreign key relationship. The records in student table cannot be deleted if the records exist in the result table. Another example of referential integrity is: you cannot insert a value in foreign key if there is no corresponding value in the primary key field of the related table. So in today's lecture we have discussed what is data integrity and types of data integrity. There are two types of data integrity: entity integrity and referential integrity. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.